Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hearthstone. So, the Tavern Brawl literally just started, so I'm recording it. Let's see. What is it? It's raining mana. Dalaran floats overhead, it's soaking your deck with mana. On your first turn, you'll get 1, but then you get 3, then 5, then 7. Oh, that's cool. So, we want a really heavy cost deck. Because you can... all my legendaries are going into this. No, we're gonna make a priest, because why not? So, 7 costs. We want all these. Want to throw all of those in there. Actually, yeah. Then, Light Spawn, definitely. Holy Nova. Mind Blast, Resurrect, that. 2 of those, and we want to put in Mind Vision, and then we'll take out 1 Horse Tank Max, and a Mind Control for 2 Power Word Shields, and a... nobody likes Major Domo. What? Oh, yeah. We'll also take out... no, we're gonna need Rend for this, because everyone's gonna be playing high legendary costs. I doubt we'll need many Shadow Repains. Unless somebody's running a deck where it's just all low-cost minions and they can fill their board, which actually isn't that bad of an idea. Oh. I didn't know that. Alright, so let's see how we can do and see if we can win a card pack on our first match. Come on. Alright, we found a match. We're facing an orange Rhymer. Alright, mage.
You asked for it.
The light shall bring victory.
Grab that and that. We're gonna try and get a really, really high light spawn. You can play that first turn. Alright. Holy Nova, Shield, Mind Vision, Light Spawn. Not bad. Alright.
Greetings.
Hello.
Alright. We're gonna play Mind Vision. And we get a War Golem.
Wanted. Dead or alive.
That's a Spell Slinger or not? Yay! That's actually really good. Yeah, we're gonna fill that out. Misha! Misha's really good because if he attacks it, he can kill it. He can kill it by throwing the Spell Slinger and then fireballing it. Yep. And then... oh, that's always nice. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to Shadow Word Pain, coin, Light Spawn.
Job done.
The next turn, I want to Resurrect so I can get Misha back and start buffing the Light Spawn. Because this thing can get hilariously overpowered. So next turn we'll have 7 mana. There's the War Golem. Oh, you silly person. Don't you know never to compete?
Thank you.
Oh, and that's perfect. There's a 7 damage light spawn with Misha. I'll give it +2/+4. So I'll make it an 11/11. Because its attack is always equal to its health. Kinda suck if it got silenced though. one thing you gotta look out for. Crossbow. Alright, raising it. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Holy Nova. Valen's chosen. Throw Misha, now we still have a 9-9. But we can then heal it next turn. Got a Mind Blast, and there's a Force Tank. Probably just gonna kill that, yep. And there's another one.
Well played.
Thank you.
Okay, so we could mind control it, but I don't think that's worth wasting. Heal that full. Heal 6 to the hero. And we'll hit for 11. Jeez, this match went by fast. And then I've still got 2 7/7s. 4 damage to an enemy. What other spells you got in there? There's Flame Strike. And you can kill it. Without sacrificing that. Let's see what we can get. Stormwind Champion, not bad. We're gonna play Force Tank Max. Wait until she plays a good card. Or he, whatever. And then I'll mind control it. So then we can win the match. Sadly, I don't have any instant. I still can't believe I'm at full health. Draining mana. Oh, there's a Stormwind Champion. Well, I know who I'm taking. Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Job done.
Well played.
Next turn, I'll play Stormwind Champion, and I'll Divine Spirit one of the Stormwind Champions. That's probably a polymorph. Or not. For all tell. Deal 1 damage. Okay. Oh, no, we're not doubling health. We're playing a Light Well. And the Light Well. So at the start of my turn, it's gonna restore 3 health to this if she doesn't damage anyone else. Ew. Shadow Madness. Well, that can't really do anything. It's kinda useless. Because I win next turn. Kinda useless to use it on the Light Well. Oh no, because she can heal herself, but it's still not gonna do anything.
This one. Well played.
Alright, yay, I win. I hate it when people concede though. Why don't you just lose with dignity? Yay, there's my pack. I'll open that at the end of the episode. Unless, do you guys want me to open the pack when I get it? Or at the end of the episode? Because I'm probably just going to do them at the end of the episode. I want to try and get that because then I can buy another pack. This is doing pretty well. I like this. Yeah, if I can win 3 while I'm here, I can open 2 packs of the Grand Tournament, because who doesn't like new cards? So, let's see who we can get matched with this time. Shammy. Okay, they can have some pretty mean cards. Don't want the Force Tank. Mind Blast is pretty good. Throw away the Dispel. Divine Spirit and Rend. You're kinda useless unless I can get a dragon in my hand. Still surprised the opponent didn't have any legendaries. Or maybe they did and just didn't draw any. Okay. We can Mind Blast. That's really it. Anything else?
Mind if I roll
That's the loot hoarder. Alright, 5 mana. We still can't do crap. Here, we'll heal you. Alright, next turn I'll have 7. So I can actually play Rend, but I don't want to because he's more of used for destroying a legendary. This person looks like they just have lots of low-cost cards, so I might need to. That's a healing one, too. Alright. There's a light well. That's not actually bad. And then I can Power Word Shield it and Divine Health it. And heal myself. Now that's a 0-14. And I can also Veil and Chosen. So that'll make it a 2-18, which is quite hard to get rid of. And that's probably a... oh, wow.
Well played.
Wow. I don't like you now. I might lose this one, because I'm not getting any good cards. Oh, definitely playing her next turn. Hey. And there's a board full of whelps. This was my newest legendary. I just got out of a pack. And yeah, that's an Onyxia. There's an entire board. There's 2/3 wolves, and that thing needs to die before it becomes scary. Yes, kill the whelps. Kill the whelps. Kill them all. 2 damage to 2 random enemies, probably whelps. Or you can hit Onyxia, that works too, and there's another Pharaoh Spirit. That needs to die. Here's what we're gonna do. No. Ah! Sucks. He's got 4 Wolf Spirits, but at least I know that's all of them. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna Veil and Chosen Onyxia. We're going to destroy one of these. We're going to heal Onyxia. Then we're going to punch one of the wolves. He does not have the game yet. I have a 10-12 Onyxia out on the board. I can also play North Sea Kraken to try and kill that. And that's a Bloodlust. I think that's game. Yep. That Onyxia though. That Onyxia. This Tavern Brawl is pretty fun. Centered around, instead of going, you skip a mana crystal each turn, so you gain 2 instead of 1. That's really cool. I like this one. The first one was amazing though. They made you I don't like making decks, but the first one was, they made a Nefarian deck and a Ragnaros deck. And they threw those against each other. Pretty fun. If you could combine Archimedes, so every time your opponent played a card it gained 2/2, and Razor Gore, at the beginning of your turn give all your minions +3/+3. Quite amazing, because they play a card and buff Archimedes. And then at the start of your turn, all your cards would get +3/+3. Alright, scrap that, scrap that. Keep the pain. And we have Mass and Foe Reaper. Foe Reaper, you're so amazing! Especially against loaded boards. Especially if they put a low taunt in between their powerful minions. You can just Foe Reaper and swipe them. In the Grand Tournament, they added a new one where, kinda dumb, here's a heal. It's a warrior card that has Foe Reaper's effect. So, I mean, it's still a legendary, and it's an only warrior, and there's no item for Grizzly. I barely have any taunts. Alright, there. We're just gonna paint it and heal. Next turn I'll have 7, so I can't play Foe Reaper. I want to though. So, I'm getting cards that affect minions. That's a boot. Throg is stupid. Alright. That's 1 damage to my face. I'll have 7 mana on the next turn. So... Yay, Nefarian! You're my bestie! Alright. Next turn I can play Nefarian, because I don't want to play him yet. I want to get 2 spells into my hand. And that's an 8/8 out on the board. Then I'll play Foe Reaper. And then if she assassinates Nefarian, I've always got a Resurrect. Because I haven't played any minions this game. Play your turn so I may wreck your face. I can cancel out all the damage from the Trog. And that's... Oh, no. Not Mukla. Not Mukla's champion. No. That's such a good card. Just bananas. I need... Oh, eventually I'll just Shadow Word Death it. Hey, guess what? Rogue. Stop. Oh! Holy crap! That's actually... This is one of the new cards. That's a really good card. Along with the legendary the Rogue's got, of the Anubarak. It's a 8/4, Death Rattle, return it to your hand, and summon a 4/4 Nerubian. Put that together with Kel'Thuzad, and you have unending Nerubians. So I think, do I want to play Foe Reaper? Not sure if I do. Yep, there's the Assassinate. Guess what? Resurrect. Alright, so if we play Resurrect beneath the grounds, that'll leave us on 5. We can then Mass Dispel to just screw over her board. Yes, hit me for all your might. Here's what we'll do. Guess what? Resurrect beneath the grounds. Mass Dispel. Mind Vision. Shiv. Okay, not bad. Yay! So, those are just crappy minions. We can actually Holy Nova. That needs to die. Oh, no, I forgot. Doesn't have the effect. How did I already forget that? Oh, wow, everything has 3 health. Oh, ha 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 ha. I can double Nefarian's health. I can also show...
I enjoy raiding!
Game +2/+2, that thing's dying fast. That has an Inspire effect. Oh, wait. Alright, there's the Shiv. And that's a Shade, so I'm definitely playing that. But that's at the start of your turn, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. My computer ran out of memory again. So I'm just going to... I lost that match, if it recorded that early. So I'm just going to record the pack opening and give you guys that. So let's see what we can get. What cards do we get? We got common, rare, common. Oh, yeah, Mirror Entity. And the rare is a... Yes! Murloc! I can put that in my Murloc Shaman. Right. Let's take out a... No. Yeah, Earth Elemental. Just throw that in. Okay. So that badly has been this week's Tavern Brawl. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!